Kia ora whanau, you're back with Mr RooXs. It's been a long time, it's good to see you. Things have changed since the last time, I don't know if you see it. I'm in the wheelchair now. I've been in the wheelchair 10 months. My passion for Kai is still the same, you can't take it. You can take my legs, but you can't take my passion for Kai. Although I've been inactive on YouTube, I've been active in my own life. So yeah, we're going to get into it. It's not enough about me. Today on the menu, these little beauties, the Titi. I love them. But yeah, this is also on the menu today, whanau. Mutton birds. Put them in a pot. Doing 4 mutton birds today. But yeah, pot. That's 1. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. Add some water. Yep, I put the water in. Yep, so the water's in whanau. We chuck it on the stove. Let that baby boil. Okay? Let's go. Yeah, so since the last video put up, I've moved from where I was staying in Pukekohe, Pairata, shout out, and I've moved back home to far north, the hub of the north, Kaikohe. So this is my new kitchen that I work in. So yeah. Kitchen. Boom. Meanwhile, while I pot on the stove, I'm going to show you a bit of tricks on the wheelchair. So, I'm just going to sit that down right there. So here we got the standard wheelie. You got the 262. I don't know if I do that right. What else we got? I don't know. Yeah, it's got it. You go backwards, go forward, go around. And yeah. Hey, kia ora whanau. So I've decided to come onto the garage. See there, I've got the burner. Just letting it just simmer away there. Chuck in the kumara, the potatoes and the watercress. So I'll just give you a look. I leave the skin on. It keeps the goodness. I like to keep the skin on. And with the potato too. These are just those agria ones. I wish I had mouldy ones. But yeah, we do with what we got. And yeah, just some watakrihi. Yeah, there we go, whanau. Just got the kumara and that just bubbling away in there. This is our base. And there you have it, whanau. Mutton birds, watercress, kumara. And let's see if we can find a potato in there somewhere. Have a dig. And riwai. Looks gorgeous there. Look at that. Well, there you have it, whanau. Another cook with Mr RooXs. Yeah, my camera's a bit fuzzy there because I got all the fatty grease off those sweet mutton birds there. Hey? So yeah, me and whanau, that's the Titi done. It's time to dig in. yeah, and we'll catch you up in a later one. Okay, you'll never know when. Just gotta stay tuned. Okay, me and whanau,